Hello and welcome, aspiring candidates. Today, we're diving into Chapter 1 of Computer Awareness, focusing on computer architecture MCQs with explanation. This knowledge is crucial for upcoming banking, SSC, railway, police, and state-level exams in 2024. Let's get started. Question 1. Space forms the backbone for building a successful computer system. Options are 1. Computer architecture, 2. Computer model, 3. Computer instructions, 4. None of the above. Here, the correct answer is 1. Computer architecture. Computer architecture forms the backbone for building a successful computer system. Next question. The first computer architecture was introduced in. Options are 1. 1970, 2. 1968, 3. 1971, 4. 1973. Here, the correct answer is 1. 1970. Next question. Which circuit board is used in all electronic systems such as computers, calculators, and digital systems? Options are 1. Architecture, 2. Printer, 3. Value, 4. Register. Here, the correct answer is 1. Architecture. Next question. The system unit options are 1. Coordinates input and output devices, 2. Is a container that houses electronic components, 3. Is a combination of hardware and software, 4. Controls and manipulates data. Here, the correct answer is a container that houses electronic. Next question. Which of the following is metal or plastic case that holds all the physical parts of the computer? Very important question asked in IBPS Clerk Mains 2017. Options are 1. System unit, 2. CPU, 3. Mainframe, 4. Platform, 5. Microprocessor. Here the correct answer is 1. System unit. The system unit is the metal or plastic case that holds all the physical parts of the computer. It houses components such as the motherboard, CPU, central processing unit, memory, and other essential hardware. This component plays a crucial role in providing the structure and protection for the internal components of a computer. Next question. The components that process data are located in which of the following? Very important question asked in IBPS Clerk Mains 2017. Options are 1. Input devices, 2. Output devices, 3. System unit, 4. Storage component, 5. Expansion board. Here the correct answer is 3. System unit. The components that process data are located in the 3. System unit. The system unit is the main chassis or case of a computer that contains the central processing unit, CPU, motherboard, memory, and other essential internal components. The CPU, which is the primary component responsible for processing data, is housed within the system unit. 7. Which of the following is not responsible for the performance of the computer? Very important question asked in IBPS Clerk Mains 2017. Options are 1. Number of keys in the keyboard, 2. Format of the video graphics word, 3. Memory in the video graphics word, 4. The clock speed of the processor, 5. Number of cores available in the processor. Among the options provided, the factor that is not responsible for the performance of the computer is Option 1. Number of keys in the keyboard. The number of keys on the keyboard is not directly related to the overall performance of the computer. The performance is more influenced by factors such as the speed of the processor, memory, graphics capabilities, and the configuration of the system. The number of keys on the keyboard is primarily a design and input device consideration, not a performance factor. Question 8. A.N. Device is any device that provides information which is sent to the CPU. Here the correct answer is 1. Input. An input device is any device that provides information to the CPU. This includes devices like keyboards, mice, and scanners, which feed data into the computer system for processing. Now, let's move on to question 9. Which of the following includes as a type of input? Here the correct answer is 5. All of these. Data, programs, commands, and user responses are all types of input that can be fed into a computer system for processing. Let's proceed to the next question. Question 10. Information that comes from an external source and is fed into computer software is called. Here the correct answer is 2. Input. When data is received from an external source and input into computer software, it is considered input. This could be data from sensors, user input, or other external devices. Moving on to question 11. Input unit converts data in the computer into form. Here the correct answer is 3. Understandable. The input unit of a computer converts data into a form that the computer can understand and process. Question 12. This unit sends the processed results to the user. Here the correct answer is 2. Output. The output unit of a computer is responsible for presenting the processed results to the user, which could be in the form of text, images, or other media. Now, let's tackle question 13. The output unit includes. Here the correct answer is 4. All of these. The output unit can include devices like plotters, printers, and monitors, all of which play a role in presenting information to the user. Question 14. This component is required to process data into information and consists of integrated circuits. Here the correct answer is 3. CPU. The Central Processing Unit, CPU, is responsible for processing data into information. It consists of integrated circuits that perform arithmetic and logical operations. And finally, question 15. The Central Processing Unit, CPU, in a computer consists of. Here the correct answer is 3. Control unit, arithmetic logic unit, memory unit. The CPU consists of these essential components, working together to process instructions, perform calculations, and manage memory. Let's kick things off with question 16. Question 16. Which instruction is used for loading data into the CPU accumulator register from memory? Here the correct answer is 1. Load. The load instruction is used to load data from memory into the CPU accumulator register. This operation is fundamental for various computing tasks. Now, moving on to question 17. Where does the computer add and compare data? Here the correct answer is 3. CPU. The Central Processing Unit, CPU, is responsible for performing arithmetic operations, including addition and comparison of data. It's like the brain of the computer. Question 18. In a computer, which unit is responsible for processing and also known as the brain of the computer? Here the correct answer is 1. CPU. The Central Processing Unit, CPU, is indeed the brain of the computer, responsible for processing instructions and managing data flow. Slide. Now, let's explore question 19. The main job of a CPU is to. Here the correct answer is 4. Both 1 and 3. The CPU's main job is to carry out program instructions 1 and process data and information 3. It plays a vital role in the overall functioning of a computer. Question 20. The main purpose of time-sharing techniques used in computers is to make the best use of. Here the correct answer is 1. CPU. Time-sharing techniques aim to make the best use of the central processing unit, CPU, by allowing multiple users to share its processing power. Slide. Moving on to question 21. The CPU is made up of two smaller components. Here the correct answer is 1. ALU and CU. The arithmetic logic unit, ALU, and control unit, CU, are two essential components of the CPU, each playing a specific role in processing instructions. Question 22. The CPU comprises of control, memory, and units. Here the correct answer is 2. Arithmetic logic. The CPU consists of the control unit, CU, memory unit, and arithmetic logic unit, ALU, each contributing to different aspects of computation. Slide. Finally, question 23. What is the responsibility of the logical unit in the CPU of a computer? Here the correct answer is 2. To compare numbers. The logical unit, LU, in the CPU is responsible for performing logical operations, including comparing numbers and making decisions based on the results. Starting with question 24. Which unit of the computer helps in communication between the memory and the arithmetic logical unit? Here the correct answer is 2. CCU, also known as the central control unit. The CCU manages communication between the memory and the arithmetic logical unit, ALU, in a computer system. Now, let's move on to question 25. Which part of the computer is used for calculating and comparing? Here the correct answer is 1. ALU, which stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. The ALU is responsible for performing arithmetic and logical operations, including calculations and comparisons. Question 26. Pick the one that is used for logical operations or comparisons such as less than, equal to, or greater than, etc. Here the correct answer is 1. ALU. The ALU handles logical operations and comparisons, making decisions based on conditions like less than, equal to, or greater than. Now, on to question 27. What does ALU in computing denote? Here the correct answer is 5. Arithmetic Logic Unit. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit, and it performs arithmetic and bitwise operations on integer binary numbers. Question 28. How many types of arithmetic operations does the ALU of the computer perform? Here the correct answer is 4. 8. The ALU can perform 8 types of arithmetic operations, showcasing its versatility in handling various calculations. Moving on to question 29. Processors contain a control unit and a AN. Here the correct answer is 4. Arithmetic Logic Unit. Processors contain a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit, ALU, working together to execute instructions and perform calculations. Question 30. Which of the following executes the computer commands? Here the correct answer is 4. Control unit. The control unit is responsible for executing computer commands and managing the flow of data within the system. Now, let's explore question 31. Which unit is a combinational digital electronic circuit that performs arithmetic and bitwise operations on integer binary numbers? Here the correct answer is 4. ALU, standing for Arithmetic Logic Unit. The ALU performs both arithmetic and bitwise operations, making it a crucial component of the CPU. Finally, question 32. Internal memory in a CPU is nothing but. Here the correct answer is 1. A set of registers. Internal memory in a CPU is a set of registers, which are small, fast storage locations used for temporary data storage during processing. Let's kick things off with question 33. Which among the following is a small set of data holding place that is a part of the computer processor and may hold an instruction, a storage address, or any kind of data? Here the correct answer is 1. Register. A register is a small, fast storage location within the computer processor that can hold instructions, storage addresses, or data during processing. Question 33. Which among the following is a small set of data holding place that is a part of the computer processor and may hold an instruction, a storage address, or any kind of data? Here the correct answer is 1. Register. A register is a small, fast storage location within the computer processor that can hold instructions, storage addresses, or data during processing. Now, on to question 34. The portion of the CPU that coordinates the activities of all the other computer components is the. Here the correct answer is 3. Control unit. The control unit of the CPU coordinates the activities of all other components, directing the flow of data and instructions. Question 35. Which among the following is an important circuitry in a computer system that directs the operation of the processor? Here, the correct answer is 5. Control unit. The control unit directs the operation of the processor and is a crucial circuitry in a computer system. Moving on to question 36. The part of a computer that coordinates all its functions is called. Here, the correct answer is 4. Control unit. The control unit is the part of the computer that coordinates all its functions, ensuring smooth operation. Question 37. The control unit controls other units by generating. Here, the correct answer is 1. Control signal. The control unit controls other units by generating control signals, directing their activities within the computer system. Now, let's explore question 38. Control unit of a digital computer is often called. Here the correct answer is 2. Nerve center. The control unit of a digital computer is often referred to as the nerve center as it manages and directs the overall operations of the computer. Question 39. Memory unit that communicates directly with the CPU is called. Here, the correct answer is 4. Register. The memory unit communicating directly with the CPU is called the register, a small but critical storage location. Now, on to question 40. CPU retrieves its data and instructions from. Here, the correct answer is 3. Main memory. The CPU retrieves its data and instructions from the main memory, where active programs and data are stored. Finally, question 41. Which computer memory is used for storing programs and data currently being processed by the CPU? Here, the correct answer is 2. Internal memory. Internal memory is used for storing programs and data currently being processed by the CPU, ensuring quick access during operations. Let's start with question 42. Question 42. The I/O processor has direct access to and contains several independent data channels. Here, the correct answer is 1. Main memory. The I/O processor has direct access to the main memory and contains multiple independent data channels for efficient data transfer. Question 42. The I/O processor has direct access to and contains some independent data channels. Here, the correct answer is 1. Main memory. The I/O processor has direct access to the main memory and contains multiple independent data channels for efficient data transfer. Now, on to question 43. The word computer usually refers to the central processing unit plus. The correct answer is 2. Internal memory. The word computer typically refers to the central processing unit plus internal memory, encompassing the core processing and storage components. Question 44. Who invented the first microprocessor? Here, the correct answer is 4. Ted Hoff. Ted Hoff is credited with inventing the first microprocessor, a groundbreaking advancement in computer technology. Question 44. Who invented the first microprocessor? Here, the correct answer is 4. Ted Hoff. Ted Hoff is credited with inventing the first microprocessor, a groundbreaking advancement in computer technology. Moving on to question 45. A microprocessor is the brain of the computer and is also called a. Here, the correct answer is 1. Microchip. A microprocessor, often referred to as the brain of the computer, is also called a microchip due to its compact size and powerful computing capabilities. Question 46. Microprocessors can be used to make. Here, the correct answer is 4. All of these. Microprocessors can be used to make computers, digital systems, and calculators, showcasing their versatility in various applications. Slide. Now, let's explore question 47. High-power microprocessor is high power. Here, the correct answer is 4. All of the above. High-power microprocessors include Pentium, Pentium Pro, Pentium 2, and 3, representing advanced computing capabilities. Question 48. The microprocessor of a computer. Here, the correct answer is 2. Understands machine language and high-level language. The microprocessor understands both machine language and high-level languages, enabling it to execute a wide range of instructions. Moving on to question 49. The CPU and memory are located in which of the following devices? Here, the correct answer is 5. System unit. The CPU and memory are located in the system unit, the main housing of a computer that houses essential components. Finally, question 50. Personal computers use several chips mounted on a main circuit board. What is the common name for such boards? The correct answer is 2. Motherboard. Personal computers use motherboards, which are main circuit boards containing many chips, to connect and facilitate communication among various components. Let's start with question 51. Now, on to question 52. A is the main printed circuit board, PCB, in a computer. Here, the correct answer is 4. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main printed circuit board, PCB, in a computer, housing essential components and facilitating communication among them. Now, on to question 52. A is the main printed circuit board, PCB, in a computer. Here, the correct answer is 4. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main printed circuit board, PCB, in a computer, housing essential components and facilitating communication among them. Moving on to question 53. Which one among the following is the main system board of a computer? Here, the correct answer is 4. Motherboard. The motherboard serves as the main system board of a computer, connecting and integrating various hardware components. Question 54. The communication line between CPU, memory, and peripherals is called a. Here, the correct answer is 1. Bus. The communication line between the CPU, memory, and peripherals is called a bus, which facilitates the transfer of data and signals. Now, let's explore question 55. A physical connection between the microprocessor memory and other parts of the microcomputer is known as. Here, the correct answer is 2. Address bus. A physical connection between the microprocessor memory and other parts of the microcomputer is known as an address bus, defining specific locations in the memory. Question 56. The read-write line belongs to. Here, the correct answer is 2. The control bus. The read-write line belongs to the control bus, which manages signals and commands between different components of the computer system. Now, on to question 57. The name of the location of a particular piece of data is its. Here, the correct answer is 1. Address. The name of the location of a particular piece of data is its address, allowing the system to locate and retrieve information. Finally, question 58. Which of the following is used to connect different external devices? Here, the correct answer is 4. External bus. An external bus is used to connect different external devices, enabling communication between the computer system and peripherals. Let's kick things off with question 59. Question 59. A computer executes a program in the sequence of. Here, the correct answer is 3. C. Fetch, decode, execute. A computer follows the sequence of fetching instructions, decoding them, and then executing the decoded instructions. Question 59. A computer executes a program in the sequence of. Here, the correct answer is 3. C. Fetch, decode, execute. A computer follows the sequence of fetching instructions, decoding them, and then executing the decoded instructions. Now, on to question 60. Which is not an integral part of a computer? Here, the correct answer is 4. UPS. UPS, or uninterruptible power supply, is not an integral part of a computer. It is a power management device that provides backup power during outages but is not a core component of the computer system. Moving on to question 61. A device that not only provides surge protection but also furnishes the computer with battery backup power during a power outages. Here, the correct answer is 2. UPS. UPS, or uninterruptible power supply, not only protects against power surges but also provides battery backup during power outages, ensuring continuous operation of the computer system. Lastly, question 62. What is a power strip? Here, the correct answer is 2. It plugs multiple components into one power outlet. A power strip is an electrical device that allows multiple electronic components to be plugged into a single power outlet, offering convenience and efficient use of power resources. That concludes our exploration of these key concepts related to computer execution, essential components, and power management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and share it with anyone keen on enhancing their computer knowledge. If you have specific topics or questions you'd like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Happy learning, and see you in the next one.